Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 91, Adding. This is another lateral thinking puzzle for you. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for all the beautiful feedback you've given me in the past. Here is today's puzzle. In what circumstances does 9 plus 5 equals 2? A clue will be given on the next slide. So try your best to solve this, and in about 2 minutes' time I will definitely give you the clue on the next slide. Okay, as promised, here is your clue if you need it, but if you haven't solved it, let's see how you go with this clue. In what circumstance does 9 plus 5 equals 2? And the clue I give you today is time. So the answer is on the next slide, and in about 1 minute's time I will give you the answer. So good luck with this clue if you haven't already solved it. Okay, as promised, here is the answer on the next slide, and congratulations if you've solved it. Let's see how you went. The puzzle was, in what circumstance does 9 plus 5 equals 2? And the answer is on a clock. Of course, the clue was time. So if you have 9 o'clock on a clock and you add 5 hours, that gives you 2 o'clock. and that's the circumstance where 9 plus 5 equals 2. I hope you enjoyed the puzzle, and I'll have plenty more for you, plenty more puzzles on the coming days. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and here it comes right now.